you want to buy them, a little bit earlier than you would buy swing trades or normal position trades. This is a different animal. You're just trying to get a low cost basis and not pyramid into them and kind of store them away. So if you think of it from a big picture, what we're doing with the long-term leaders is pretending that part of your portfolio, let's say you have $10,000 to work with to invest. Maybe you're taking 1,000 of that or 2,000 of that and saying, okay, this is going to be my long-term portfolio. And I'm going to do these stocks with them. So now that's a subset of your overall account. And that you're going to break up into small little chunks of 5% or less is going to be our standard position. And so you're not trying to make a killing with this. This is something that you're trying to, do that more, think of it as a blend between Bill O'Neill and Warren Buffett of, you know, Bill picking great stocks and Buffett being able to, sit with them for long periods of time, trying to do something like that. So you are trying to get a lower cost basis. But you also want to look at the context of what we're in. We just had a crash, and so with a crash, it's going to take time for a lot of these charts to look right. And so just in your mind, think, let's say Microsoft just ripped straight up to new highs, each week for the next several weeks. That would look very unusual. That's not what you tend to see. Are the lows in? Let's say that we have a follow through day today and that works. The lows are probably in, but you're still going to have time
Hmm.
before you need to buy the stock. And like Chris was saying, draw some sort of trend line. And right now, it's just steep.
Right.
Just connecting dots in a straight line down is not a trend line. That's just it hasn't stopped going down. It needs to go sideways for a bit, and we're going to point it out when people should start looking at these. But I still think the risk reward is. We've been saying not to buy any of them yet, and I think it's going to stay that way for a little bit unless the market firms up substantially.